So I'm pouring it right down the middle so we get a nice thick head. Right now we have a glass and we can see exactly how much foam there is and how much actual beer there is, right? But imagine this was that I poured it into this vessel instead where we couldn't see that. The analogy is the stock market. So when most people think of the stock market, it's all this churning and trading, what stocks are hot now, what stocks are rising, what stocks are falling, it's all this trading. That's not the simple path to wealth. That's the foam. What makes up the price of that stock is a combination of two things. It is the beer and it is the foam. And the problem is, unlike that glass, it's in a vessel like this. So it's hard to see exactly how much beer there is as opposed to how much foam there is.
And the beer is the value, the foam is the speculation.
Exactly. The beer is the fundamental operating value of the company, right? The sales and the expenses and the money that's left over that you call profits, right?
Yeah.
So that's the beer. The foam is what the market determines that's worth at any given moment based on emotion
and
hype and speculation and fear and greed.
And so up here
right.
is the total value of the stock.
Right, exactly. The total value of the stock. But this is all foam that can come and go very quickly.
And I guess Warren Buffett's greatness was he was able to pay for stocks where it was mainly beer, and he paid at the price of the beer, not for the foam.
Or he looked for times where the sentiment was so negative that he was actually paying a little less than the price of the beer. It's going to be very, very hard in this day and age, even when they started back in the 60s, to find companies where you can actually buy it for less than the actual beer value. So don't try to do that. Just try to find companies that you can pay a fair price for that have a lot of beer in the mix, that are mostly beer. Because if you buy those companies, they are, by definition, very well-run companies, strong brands, big moats around them, which makes them hard to compete